So, may buntag guys, nanaday ko dire karon ang time um, 3:03 nga nag-video call ko sa akong migo si Muhammad Almadaser nga karon maghimo ako sa akong output sa interview sa purposive communication, which is mag-interview sa isa ka foreigner. So, karon magasugod ako. Hi my friend.
Hello, Sadiq.
Hi, my name is Ben Alkisa, and I'm current first year BTL Ed education student in Saint University of Northern Negros. I will be interview you, and I will be giving you 25 phrases in our language, which is Hiligaynon, and you will be translate in your own language. So, my friend, please introduce yourself, my friend.
Hello, Sadiq. Ana Muhammad Almadasir. Ana maudio din na fi Saudi Arabia.
So, my friend, what time is it in Saudi?
The time now is 10 o'clock in Arabic sa Asra.
Okay, thank you, thank you. So, this is the first Hiligaynon phrases that I will give to you, and you must be translate to your own language. First is damo pa kaobra. Damo pa kaobra, which means in English, you still have a lot of work. Please translate it to your language. You still have
In
a lot.
Arabic,
Okay, continue.
Fiat Kulushay.
Fiat Colossae. Okay, thank you, thank you. This is
Aywa.
the second phrase in Hiligaynon word that I will give to you. Ginbuhat ko tanan. Ginbuhat ko tanan. I did everything. What?
In Arabic, lakad na fat manho.
Lakad na fak manho. Thank you. This is the third Hiligaynon phrases. Daw na ubusan ako. Daw na ubusan ako. I've run out of it.
In Arabic, anad sahel akana.
Anad Shahed Akana. Thank you. So this is the fourth phrase, Hiligaynon phrase. Daw ikaw gid maayo. You're really good. You're really good.
In Arabic, robana hayak siya'y mafku.
So let's go on to the next phrase. Basi may kulang. Basi may kulang. Maybe something is missing. Maybe something is missing.
In Arabic, la aktido amani hatiya atanil.
Okay. Let's go on to the next. Daw hindi ko kaya. Daw hindi ko kaya. I don't think I can handle it. I don't think I can handle it.
In Arabic, lakap kiya nokare.
Okay. Let's go on to the next. Pagbalik lang. Pagbalik lang. Just come back. Just come back.
In Arabic, mita iji inta.
Let's go on to the next. Paghalong dira. Paghalong dira. Don't be hurt. Don't be hurt.
In Arabic, kif siya'y harakta.
What?
Kif siya'y harakta.
Okay. So, this is the second phrase. Sa sunod nga adlaw. Sa sunod nga adlaw. On the next day.
In Arabic, taniyom.
Kanyo. So,
Taniyom.
kanyo. So,
Aywa.
let's go on to the next. Hindi ka magpati. Hindi ka magpati. Don't believe it. Don't believe it.
Ya habibi, mafi mushkila.
What?
Ya habibi, ada mafi mushkila.
Okay. That's funny though. This is the next phrase. Anong ginahulat mo? Anong ginahulat mo? What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for?
Ish ibga inta.
What?
Ish. In Arabic, ish ibga inta.
Ish karab inta. Thank you.
Ish
So,
ibga inta.
okay.
Aywa.
So, let's go on to the next phrase. May ara pada nga mas maayo. May ara pada nga mas maayo. There's something better. What is it in Arabic?
Hada ka turquoise.
Arab ka
Hada ka
turquoise?
turquoise.
Okay.
In Arabic, hada ka turquoise.
Okay. So, let's go on to the next phrases. So, we can go on. May problema ka bala? May problema bala? Is there a problem? What is in Arabic?
Aywa. In Arabic, inta fi mushkila.
Okay, let's go on to the next phrase. Masakit man, it hurts too.
In Arabic, katir hada harami.
Wow. So,
Katir hada harami.
katir hada harami.
Aywa.
So,
Mia.
next, let's go on to the next Hiligaynon phrases. May salig sa imo. May salig sa ko sa imo. I trust you.
In Arabic, habibi inta finro.
Okay.
Inta finro.
Intapinro.
Inta finro.
Intapinro. So, this is the next phrases.
Aywa.
Ginbuligan ta ka. I mean, I help you. Ginbuligan ta ka. I help you.
Ana ibga hada habibti. Ana ibga hada habibti.
Let's go on to the next phrase. Sadyahon tani. Let's enjoy this.
In Arabic, hada mafi tahidwani tahad yumen.
Tahad yumen. So,
Aywa.
next is kabay pa nga maayo. Kabay pa nga maayo. I hope it's good.
Ro mungkin bukra kois.
So, next.
Mungkin bukra kois.
Okay.
Aywa.
So, next is daw kita gid. It's really us. It's really us.
Hada mita init. Hada mita itnin.
Next is
Hada mita itnin.
okay. So next is daw wala lang. It's nothing really.
Mita igi mo hina. Mita igi mo hina.
Okay. Mita mo what?
Mita igi. Mita igi mo hina.
Mita igi mo na. So next
Mita
is
igi mo hina.
okay.
Aywa.
Next is kanugon lang. Such a waste.
Roksa mafi.
Roksa mapi.
Aywa. Roksa mafi.
So next is ginhulat ta ka. We waited for you.
Anas. In Arabic, anas tanna dagiga.
Wow.
Anas tanna dagiga.
So last three phrases, my friend. Ginpaminsar taka. I think of you. What is in Arabic? I think of you.
Shuf ana maratawil.
So second.
Shuf ana maratawil.
So last two, my friend. Basi makaya ta. Maybe we can handle it.
In Arabic, mia bukra sawikida.
And the last phrase is hindi lang magdugay. Just don't take too long.
But you mean.
Okay, my friend, thank you for your effort. And we did it. We complete the 25 Hiligaynon phrases. So thank you so much, and please allow me to speak in my dialect to thank you. So guys, damo nga salamat kay Muhammad nga um, gintugutan niya ta nga mag-interview sa iya, kag appreciate ko gid sa iya kabuot nga magbulig sa akon output sa interview sa purposive communication. Damo gid nga salamat sini nga tawo. So Muhammad, my friend, thank you for your time and effort. I hope you doing good there in Saudi, and God bless you. So I really appreciate what you did to me, and even though you you have a work, and you did effort to me, and I really appreciate it. So thank you.
Welcome.
Bye.
Bye, my friend.